Here we have your chest fly machine and rear delt machine. Two functions in one piece of equipment. The first setting I'm going to show you is for your chest fly. For that setting, if you look up, you're between the numbers 1 and 3. 3 adjusts the machines to a longer range of motion. 1 closes it down a little bit. That's all going to depend on your flexibility of your shoulders. I'm pretty flexible. I'm going to set it to about a 3. From there, you're going to adjust your bench, your seat, pardon me. Your seat, you pull up the handle, it'll go up or it'll come up, okay? The second thing is your weight stack. We want to adjust it before we get in. It's the safest thing to do. It's at about a 75. I'll keep it there for demonstration purposes. From here, I'm going to go ahead and sit down, reach to the side, and bring my arms out apart. Right now, I feel a nice stretch in my chest. I'm going to take a breath in, and I'm going to exhale, and I'm going to bring those hands together. Notice how my hands are in pretty much the same line as my shoulders. Breathing in, on the way back, exhale on the way forward, which is your contraction. Breathing in, breathing out. To get out of the machine, you can go ahead, lean to one side, let go of the one handle, lean to the other side, and let go of the other handle.